In this video, we drive together and see a road with a beautiful view of the forest, and fishing on the side of the road, and a village with an old and traditional texture. Stay with me. Hello my friends, how are you? Thank you for choosing to watch this video. In the previous video, we went together to the Leyla Kuh area in the north of Iran and walked in a taco and explored its beautiful and pristine forest of you. There are several routes to reach this forest, but in my opinion, the most beautiful route to reach Mount Leila Koh is from the path of Divshel village. Come with me to drive from Leila Koh village to Divshel village. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to get energy and post new clips. This road is really beautiful. At the very beginning of the road, when we left the city of Langrod, we entered the village of Leila Koh, which added to the beauty of this road. When you enter Leila Koh, you see a beautiful forest among short and tall buildings, and you fall in love with it and you don't want to take your eyes off it. Driving on this road is really enjoyable. In some places the forest is in front of you, and in some places you have to pass by these trees and forest. One side of the road is forest and the other side is agricultural and paddy fields. And in some places you can see green tea fields that extend to the mountainside and sops, and you have to pass through them. This is beautiful Iran, a combination of different climates of the world. Every corner of our Iran seems to have a part of the beauty of one of the countries of the world. I think Mount Leila is like Switzerland, with green plains and beautiful forests and water ponds on the side of the road where people fish. I hope one day I will be your host in beautiful Iran. And I invite you to definitely come to Iran and see its beauty up close. Well, as always, I will keep quiet so that you can enjoy the road. Also, if you liked this road so far, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to get energy and post new clips.